phenomena, all the naturally occurring radioactive nuclides undergo disintegration to form other nuclides till they reach a stable end product. For example, consider a parent nuclide undergo disintegration to form a daughter nuclide B, that is unstable product. Further, it undergoes disintegration or decay. Unstable end product C is formed. This is represented as A tends to B, B tends to C. There are 4 radioactive series. Only 4 radioactive series out of 3 are in nature because its atomic number greater than 82. Atomic number greater than 82. All these nuclides undergo decay to form daughter nuclide. Unstable end product C is, for example, lead. Lead having atomic number 82. Each one of the radioactive series, it is a member of radioactive nuclide. There are 4 major radioactive series are uranium series, actinium series, thorium series, neptunium series. Out of 4 radioactive series, only 3 are naturally occurring. For example, uranium, actinium, thorium. First one is radioactive uranium series. All these are radioactive nuclides. First one is radioactive series, or it is also known as 4n plus 2 series. Uranium, here parent element of this nuclide is uranium 238. It undergo decay or disintegration which gives daughter nuclide, and the stable end product which gives lead 20682. This series is also known as 4n plus 2 because the elements of this series have masses in integral multiples of 4 plus 2. See, this is uranium series. Next one is actinium series. It is also known as 4n plus 3 series. Here also parent element is uranium 235. It undergo decay into daughter nuclide, and the stable end product is lead 207. Here also this series is also known as 4n plus 3 because this series have masses in integral multiples of 4 plus 3 or 4n plus 3. Next series is thorium series, or it is also known as 4n series. Here also same thing, the parent element of this series is thorium 232. It undergo decay and gives end product is lead 208. This series is known as 4n because here also mass having integral multiples of 4 only. Next one is neptunium series, or it is also known as 4n plus 1 series. Here the parent element of this series is plutonium 246, and it gives the stable end product bismuth 209. This series is also represented as 4n plus 1 series because the elements of this series have masses in integral multiples of 4 plus 1. As already mentioned that only 3 are occurring in nature out of 4, uranium, actinium, thorium. Neptunium is not occurring in nature because actually in this series the parent element is plutonium, but the series is known as neptunium series because neptunium has the longest half-life period equal to 2.2 into 10 power 6 years, which is very small compared to the age of the earth. that is 5 into 10 power 9 years. That is the reason neptunium is not occurring in nature. Neptunium has the longest of lifetime, which is equal to 2.2 into 10 power 6 years. But it is very small compared to the age of the earth, that is 5 into 10 power 9 years. In this class we have discussed about introduction to radioactive phenomena and radioactive series and the decay process of 4 series: uranium, actinium, thorium and neptunium. Thank you.